Me and my boys got done with work, and I don't understand. All I know is that my fuse is gonna end soon. Yay. Yeah, I got a lot of paperwork. I haven't made a video in a while. Cause I'm just so tired. I'm enjoying the moment. I'm trying to think when's a good time to exercise. That's all I'm thinking about. I'm dying. I'm so thirsty. Okay, my boys. I'll see you boys in a bit. Swift. I wonder if you can see that. See you boys in a bit. Oh, my mom's so fake. See you boys in a bit, I guess. Love you. Happy birthday. And I've been fucking wishing havoc in the city. Love you boys.